and leopard spots. All day she sits beneath the stairs, or on the steps, or on the mat. She sits and sits and sits and sits, and that's what makes a Gumbie cat. That's what makes a Gumbie cat.
But when the day's hustle and bustle is done, then the Gumbie cat's work is but hardly begun. And when all the family's in bed and asleep, she tucks up her skirts to the basement to creep. She is deeply concerned with the ways of the mice. Their behavior's not good and their manners not nice. So when she has got their mind up on the matting, she teaches them music, crocheting, and catting.
I have a Gumbie cat in mind. Her name is N.E.B. The curtain cord she loves.